You'll agree that having an online side hustle is one way to earn extra cash today. But one discouraging fact about having an online side hustle is that many of them can be quite time-consuming. Well, what if I told you that there are online side hustles that you can engage in that only take a few seconds to minutes of your time daily? Surely you want to find out about these online side hustles. Join me in this video as you'll be exposed to 4 lucrative online side hustles that are easy to start up and that are not time-intensive. Partaking in online surveys. Online surveys are a great way to earn money away from your main job. The great part about partaking in online surveys is that you are not required to put in strenuous effort. In fact, in the comfort of your home, you could earn money as long as survey invites keep coming. Also, this process is not even time-consuming, as you'll only need a few seconds to minutes of your time daily to participate in these surveys. Some examples of top-paying online survey platforms include UserCrowd, UTest, HeyCash, 5Surveys, and YouGov survey platforms. A platform highly recommended is the YouGov survey platform. On YouGov, you get paid for answering questions honestly across varying subjects. On this platform, the kind of questions you would answer would depend on your profile information. So, don't worry, you won't be asked for information on subjects you have no idea about. The good part about this survey is that you get paid with a solid pay rate as compared to most survey platforms. Recently, a close friend earned up to $50 by just answering surveys in 30 minutes. This may not be your case when you register. It's just a potential of what can be earned on this platform. In addition to that, YouGov allows users to select flexible payment methods to receive their rewards, spanning from gift cards and direct deposit into their bank accounts, as well as other payment methods. That's for YouGov. Feel free to look up the other online survey platforms mentioned earlier. You'll be amazed at how much money you can earn from just participating in surveys in the comfort of your home. 2. By testing apps via user testing. The user testing website is a free-to-use website where you can earn money by just testing apps, websites, and other digital products. Regardless of where you reside, you can earn cash by doing simple tasks on the website. Don't worry, it's easy to carry out. No VPN or proxy is required. No doubt, you already want to know how this works. So, here's how it works. When you're signed up on the user testing website, you'll be immediately offered several tasks. The task involves usability testing of an app or website. You'll be asked to perform certain tasks, such as creating an account, purchasing products, and so on. After performing these simple tasks, you get paid. A short task may pay around $10, and a lengthy task may pay around $20. In some cases, you could also receive additional bonuses for providing valuable information about a digital product. This is 100% real. And this is no sugarcoating of any sort. The user testing platform puts you in a win-win situation. Why? Because you earn money by your review, and you help improve the user interface and user experience of the app you run your task on, thus contributing to a better digital space for everyone. 3. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is another great way to earn money on the side. With affiliate marketing, you may spend little or no money on setting up. This is because, most of the time, you'll not need to worry about producing a product or even shipping logistics. All you need to do is to sign up for free on an affiliate program of your choice, and you're good to go. One of the great aspects of being an affiliate marketer is the work flexibility that it offers. Just like the 2 other side hustles mentioned above, you can work from anywhere and at any time. All you need is a steady internet connection, and you're on course to earn. One affiliate marketing program that is highly recommended is the Share a Sale affiliate program. Their acceptance rate is higher than most known affiliate marketing platforms, and they have a quick payment system. Those who run the Share a Sale affiliate program have not had issues accessing their payment on the platform. So, if you're confused about which affiliate marketing program to begin with, feel free to sign up for the Share a Sale affiliate program. You could also look up the terms and conditions for other affiliate marketing platforms. Examples are Awin, CJ Affiliate, ClickBank, and many others. 4. Freelancing. The last but definitely not the least. Freelancing is another side hustle you can venture in to earn money for yourself. Freelancing offers you the opportunity to make money at a time appropriate for you to do so. To succeed in freelancing, you only need a digital skill. It works in a way whereby those in demand of your skill would reach out to you to provide services to you. You could begin freelancing no matter the digital skill you possess, be it writing, video editing, web development, or even being a virtual assistant. You can begin by signing up on top freelancing platforms such as Upwork, Fiverr, and even LinkedIn. Among all these, LinkedIn is one of the best places to get your freelancing career started. On LinkedIn, you can tailor your profile to match what your prospective clients want. You could also create contents that resonate with your audience, thus expanding your reach to more clients. Another fascinating fact about the platform is that you can connect with other colleagues and experts in your fields, and learn from them while you search for clients. Almost the same functions can be carried out on Upwork and Fiverr. So, kindly look up these platforms' features to understand how they work. This could just be the gold mine that you've been searching for. Conclusion. Breaking free of your low financial status starts by taking action. By starting up an online side hustle, you could free yourself from unnecessary financial worries. You don't need much, only a few minutes of your time daily is what is needed. Is that too difficult to ask from you? Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to enjoy more tips on making more money.